Hey guys, today I'm going to be taking apart some electric fan motors. Be taking off the blades here and taking the copper motor and taking the shell off and getting the copper to be stripped later. Enjoy. Now I got all the motors taken apart. Now I'm left with a couple pieces. I got a bunch of these. These are cast, and then I got a little bit of metal on it. Got a bucket for that. I gotta take those apart. These are all metal. And then these guys, the copper motor that I want, that I'll pull out later. And I'll have to take the bandsaw and cut these apart, get the metal out, and just be left with the normal copper. So yeah, getting there. There we go. Now I got all the motors apart. There's the metal shells and everything now can be sorted into separate bins to be finished taking apart. So yeah, that's all for that one. Thanks for watching.